What's up, everyone? If you're searching for a powerful drone with GPS, obstacle avoidance, and high-resolution cameras without paying premium brand prices, AliExpress has some impressive options in 2026. In this video, I'll be covering the top 5 best drones on AliExpress, including their key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and who each drone is best suited for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. K19 MAX GPS Drone. Best overall value. The K19 MAX is a professional-style folding GPS drone featuring an 8K camera, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a large screen remote controller. 8K camera with FPV transmission, GPS positioning with return to home, obstacle avoidance system, large screen remote control, foldable and portable design. The K19 MAX offers stable flight performance and smooth aerial footage. The built-in display remote is very convenient and eliminates the need for a smartphone, making it user-friendly for both beginners and intermediate pilots. Pros: excellent value for money, stable GPS flight, built-in screen remote, easy to transport. Cons: 8K resolution is software enhanced. Obstacle avoidance is limited in complex environments. A strong all-round drone that delivers premium features at an affordable price. Number 2. P7 MAX GPS Drone. Best long-range drone. The P7 MAX is a high-end GPS drone designed for long-distance flying, featuring an 8K camera and an impressive 20-kilometer digital image transmission range. 8K camera, up to 20-kilometer image transmission, brushless motors, GPS smart flight modes, screen remote controller. This drone stands out for its long-range performance and strong flight stability. It performs well in open areas and is better suited for experienced users. Pros: extremely long transmission range, powerful motors, smooth and responsive controls, premium remote controller. Cons: higher price point, not ideal for beginners. Best for users who want long-range FPV flying and advanced control. Number 3. S155/S135 GPS Drone. Best budget option. The S155 and S135 models are affordable GPS drones featuring dual cameras, 4K video, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. 4K dual HD cameras, GPS return to home, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable design. This drone is a great entry-level option for beginners. It offers basic smart features and decent flight stability at a lower price point. Pros: affordable, beginner-friendly, dual camera setup, easy to fly. Cons: limited flight range, average camera quality. An excellent choice for first-time drone users. Number 4. AE60 Ultra GPS Drone. Best for aerial photography and fishing. The AE60 Ultra is a professional GPS drone equipped with an 8K camera, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and long-range FPV capabilities. It also supports airdrop and fishing accessories. 8K HD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 12-kilometer transmission, obstacle avoidance, airdrop and fishing support. This drone delivers smoother footage thanks to its gimbal system. It is ideal for aerial photography and fishing applications. Pros: stable gimbal footage, long flight range, strong build quality, specialized fishing support. Cons: larger size, higher cost, best for content creators and fishing enthusiasts. Number 5. S880 MAX Fishing GPS Drone. Best fishing drone. The S880 MAX is designed specifically for fishing, featuring dual cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance, and payload dropping capability. 8K dual camera system, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, airdrop payload support. This drone is purpose-built for fishing and heavy-duty use. It performs well over water and can handle bait-dropping tasks reliably. Pros: ideal for fishing use, stable flight over water, payload support, dual camera setup. Cons: not suitable for beginners, heavier than standard drones. A solid choice for users looking for a dedicated fishing drone. So, those were the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2026. You can find the latest prices and deals using the links in the description. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.